Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be two unboxings. Not a big major haul, but just a little haul. And we're going to use what's in there. So this is just the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I've gone back to that for a little while, trying it back. Let's see how it goes. So just a little bit of that. And let's do this one first. This one is from Makeup Geek. And she had a sale. And I think the sale's still going on. Guys, I've not even opened this. All I've done, oh, it opens this way, is cut the tape. So there's the inside of the box. Packing slip. Tissue paper. And as you know, Marlena has been very outspoken in the last week about issues that are going on. And is there anything? Oh, there is something in that. You got to check your tissue paper. Okay, so that is one eyeshadow, and it is the duochrome, and it was the only single I got. The duochrome, and it is in Backlight. And if you know me, you know I love purple. And there's that one. And it's supposed to be duochrome. So I'm going to set it right here, and we're just going to... Oh, it's very pretty. It's got kind of a teal, purpley teal color, silver. Very pretty. I actually am going to grab a tissue. Okay. So that one was wrapped in tissue. We have some bubble wrap going here. She had a big sale, guys. A big sale. More bubble wrap. Bubble wrap and bubble wrap. And I can use these little bubble wrap packs for my 1K giveaway when I mail it. So here is two things that I got. And I wasn't sure if these were going to be little compacts or not, but they are. They're little palettes. So that's awesome. I got the Bronze Solstice palettes. And I happen to have my scissors here. Oh, it is perforated, so that will work. Yep, and it peels off really easy. I don't want the whole back sticker to peel off though. So we're going to cut it. Okay, good enough right now. And I hate having stickers on my fingers. I do. There's just something about it. I don't like it. Okay, so that one's cut. And there is, I don't know if you could get these pans out. I was kind of hoping you could get the pans out. But I'm sure you could depot them. So, does it tell me? Okay, it's Legend, Tan Lines, Peach Smoothie, and Morocco. Very pretty, nice neutral palettes. And then this one, break that perforation. This one is Sensuous, Buffed, So Pale, Increased. I don't know if I have any of those. That purple, there's that purple. You know I went for purple. These were $11.99. So for 4 eyeshadows, that's what, $12 divided by 4. Those were $3 a pan, and if you follow Makeup Geek, you know they're usually $6, $5 to $6 a pan. So that was fantastic. $3 a pan. One last thing down in here. And this, I think that's all I got. Yes. Is, oh my gosh, at the packaging. Look at that. I have not bought anything from Makeup Geek in a while. And that's beautiful. Let's see, I think it slides out. Maybe. It looks like it would just slide out. I don't want to mess it up. Come on, Makeup Geek. See, look. Looks like it should just slide out. That's some tight stuff. I I can't get it out of there, and I don't want to mess it up. It's so pretty. Aha. Finally. So there is, it's a gunmetal Makeup Geek, and this is the Flawless Ever After Fair Lady Face Palette. And I think this was also, I don't remember. It was 20. But you got 4 face powders. So, does it say Radiance, Betrayal, Flirt, and Amour? And then there are the face powders. I already have a little bit of bronzer on. So this one's the bronzer, and it is very cool toned. And I'm going to take the peach. Very pretty. And then I'm going to swatch all of them for you. So there they, the peach, the bronze, the highlight, and the more purpley shade. That's very pretty. And we'll use that highlighter in just a moment. I'll wipe my fingertips off. I think I'm going to go ahead and show you one other thing that I got. I got it from Amazon just because it has all my Makeup Geek shadows. I don't have a large collection of Makeup Geek, but I got this palette. I do have a smaller one. It is the same thing, pretty much. See what I'm saying? It's the same thing. But I got this one off of either Wish or Ally. And it holds 9 shadows. And I can't remember if these are ColourPop. Yeah, these are all ColourPop. So I have the little one. And this one holds 18 shadows. It does have a mirror inside. I got this one off Amazon. I can link that down below if you want me to. It was $10, but it holds 18 shadows. These are all Makeup Geek. These are the only ones I have, and I normally buy them when they're damaged or she does a sale. That's the only time I buy them. Honestly, seriously, that's the only time I buy them. And you can like tell by maybe this one. I've not even used that one, and you can tell it had a pressing issue. Most of them are just like slight press. There's like a little ding in it or a mark from the top getting touched through like the plastic. So it leaves a little mark, and she puts them in there as damaged, and they're discounted. So these are the ones I have at the present moment, and they all fit down in there perfect. But now I have backlight. I have one oddball, guys. No! What can I take out? I don't want to take them out, any of them out. That's a nice palette. Look at that. But now I have backlight. I need to put... Well. So today, I don't know. Let's use the bronze. This is the summer bronze. Or this one. Let's use that one today and see what we can come up with. I'm going to go into, this is Peach Smoothie. I may have this one in the big one. I don't know. But I'm just going to take that up in the transition. Yeah, I was hoping these popped out so I could eventually put them all in a big palette, but they don't. So, oh well. They'll be good for travel. One of these might end up going on the cruise with me. Since they're small, that's good. So this is Peach Smoothie. We might end up using some shades from the other palettes, but that you can't even really see that on my skin tone. So I'm going to come into this one, which I would think is Morocco. I don't know. Whoa, that's super soft. Super, 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 super soft. And today I'm not using my big normal fluffy brush. I'm using a little bit more of a condensed kind of kabuki style brush. Just changing it up. It kind of stays a little more targeted, so I'm just going to pick up what was already kind of kicked up in that pan. This color you can definitely see. No question about that. So Jacqueline came out with her or not really explanation. Well, I guess she did try to explain what happened to her lipsticks. Do you guys think she made this situation, or not made it worse, but do you think she explained it thoroughly enough for you guys? Or was it lackluster? I mean, a lot of her documentation was dated 2017, and I think a lot of people were like calling her out on that. But I mean, if that's when she first got it going, I mean, that's, you know, just clean that brush off in the switch, because there was plenty of product on there to buff out. There's plenty on my eyes, trust me. The pigmentation of her shadows are no joke. I mean, they're fantastic. I'm going to switch to, you guys know my favorite brush. And there she is. It's the Morphe 433. I keep saying I'm going to buy another one. So I'm going to go into this one. I think this one is tan. Yeah, this one's tan lines. I know what this one is. This one doesn't seem nowhere near as soft as Morocco. I mean, seriously, Morocco just really, really picked up in the pan. And I'm just going to stamp that right out here in the corner and then just start working it inward. And I do believe these are still on sale for $11.99. If you like the Makeup Geek shadows and the face palettes, just kind of stamp it in there and then just start wiggling it back and forth. Fluff and buff, people, fluff and buff. If I find a hair or any lint or anything like that, I'll let you know. But so far, so good. I have never had any issue with Makeup Geek. Never. I've never tried any of her lippies, though. So it's always been just eyeshadows. Why I've never bought any for lippies, I don't know. I just haven't. Grab a shadow brush. Actually, I don't want that one. I want this one. I am going to use, this would be, I'm assuming Legend, since I've used all the other ones. And I'm going to start to pack that in the center and over. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty. So pretty. We are officially 2 weeks out from the cruise. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So ignore this mess back here. If you can see, I've been going through, we're still going through some of Mom's stuff. I'm not going to touch into this one right now. I am going to grab this guy, and in the corner, okay, I got Grandstand, which is very similar to Legend, which is the one I just put on. I'm looking to see if I have the same ones. This one may be tan lines. Yep, so I have another tan lines. No, that one's Beaches and Cream, so I don't have the peach smoothie. So I'm going to take Shimma Shimma, which is this one right here, and I just stuck my nail down in that one. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I stabbed you with my nail. And I'm going to tuck that right in there. But I'm going to come back with a Legendary because that's very stark. I'm just going to kind of blend right over that. Just a little. Like that. Clean that brush off and just kind of blend them together. Then I'm going to take, this is a Morphe 330. I want to come back into, I'm going to blend tan lines and Morocco. Yeah, the Morocco is definitely a lot softer. Okay. Actually, give me that back. With a pencil brush with Morocco. I mean, it is so soft. Can you guys see where I just touched into that? I mean, and I'm just going to try to pick up. And then I want to come into Legendary. It doesn't kick up nowhere near as much. I mean, seriously. I can really go into that, see, and it just starts to give me some kick up. And I'm just going to pick it up. I'm going to pick up the kick up. So there's those. I'm going to show you that one more time. That's gorgeous. And I'm Sensuous, Buffed, So Pale, and Creased. I'm thinking Creased is probably the purple. I don't know. That one's really pretty too. We'll use it in a look. And then there's that palette again from Amazon. And this little guy here is going to have to go into one of my other palettes that have the little pop in and out. I'll have to find it because you know what I'm talking about. The empty palettes. Empty palette, Shannon. But there is the eye look. Very pretty. I'm going to take that big fluffy brush that I normally use and just kind of come back over all the edges and just buff all those lines. Mascara, Too Faced. So yeah, this was a really good sale. I was super excited to see because I hadn't bought anything from Makeup Geek in a long time. So there is the mascara. And I want to do the highlight. So I'm going to grab this beautiful, that's beautiful. I'm going to have fingerprints all over it though. Grab me a highlight brush. I'm cleaning it off in the switch so we can see what is really going on with this highlight. Subtle, but it's that, I mean, you can see that right there. It's subtle, but it's pretty. That's very pretty. I'm seeing if it's buildable, which I'm sure it is. That's very pretty. It feels a little stiff, not as creamy as the blush. I don't know if it's because it's kind of glittery. But very pretty. All right, so there is the Makeup Geek. All right, guys. Here is the other box. So, inside of it is pretty pink tissue paper. And I only got 2 things. Because, you know, I'm on a budget. And there's the shipping label. There is the card. And it has all of the colors of the lip glosses. And I don't know. There's just something really kind of crazy cool about him being in, is it like milk? I don't know. But that's kind of cool. All right. So the packaging is humongous. I'll give it that. The packaging... That's big for a lip gloss. I mean, seriously. And I got Diamond Juice and I got Control Freak. And there are the batch codes, which are different. 2 finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine, Juicy and Delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Oh, mercy. How am I getting this out of here? Well, haha. That is cool. I mean, yes, the packaging is, it's drama. I mean, you gotta, yes, this dramatic packaging, but look at the gloss that's inside of that packaging. So that one is Diamond Juice, and this one is Control Freak. So this time I know there's a tab in there. You just pull it up and it comes right out, Shannon. So this one is a beautiful kind of baby pink. Doesn't really match my eyes, but we're going to see. I know they've been in the mail, so we're going to give them a shake. It smells good. There's the doe foot. Some people have been loving it. Some people have been hating it. So just a really nice kind of clear, like you said, baby pink gloss. I'm going to sit that back there with my Jeffree Star Lippies. That feels really good on the lips. I mean, truly, it really does. It's got a nice slip. It's not doing the sticky thing where you see the little, no, where it sticks to itself. Very nice. Okay. So let's try Diamond Juice. So again, there is the doe foot. And there is the glittery swatch. Both very, very shiny. Let's get in there. This one, you can feel a little bit of the glitter, but not enough to be like, oh my god, I feel glitter. Or at least I can feel it. That is very comfortable. It's very pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it over a lipstick. Let's go with, I'm just going to grab something. What are you? You are Elf, and you are Rosy Go Round, so a really pretty rosy color. And I'm going to do the glittery one. This is going to contaminate my wand. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to dab it. And then kind of move it around my lips because I really don't want it all over my wand. And it's not too bad. A little bit, but not too bad. Here, I wiped it off on my hand. Oh, that's pretty. That's so pretty. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do... This is 1995 by Gerard Cosmetics. Speaking of Jaclyn Hill, guys, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. These retail for $18. I love it. Seriously, I have a lot of lip gloss. A lot of lip gloss. I love it. Will I buy more? If they go on sale. Seriously, if they go on sale, I would buy more. But definitely, definitely, definitely love that formula. I mean, that's a really good formula. Let's do one more, and then I will stop because I want to do the tuck you back in there. I'm going to do, this is the only bullet lipstick I have from Jeffree. This is Celebrity Skin. And I'm going to do the non-glittery one. Again, I don't want to contaminate my doe foot, guys. So just tap it on, and it doesn't really get on your doe foot. Very, very pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. So, they are Shannon approved. Everything has been Shannon approved. We will use this little guy in another video sometime, but everything has been Shannon approved. Those are good. Those are like really good. And actually, I think I'll leave this on because we're getting ready to do another video. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Sorry this video went so long. Also, if you haven't caught my 1K giveaway video, I will have it linked down below. So be sure you watch that and get entered into it. Be sure you follow all the rules, the special instructions, so you're entered. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and liking. And I'll see you on the next one.